Hello everyone. To learn Web3 and smart contracts and Dapp, there are many resources available on the internet, and few are very good. So today I am going to show you one of the website, buildspace.so. It's a great website from where I have started to learn how to write a smart contract, how to deploy it, and how to make a Dapp. So now today I will going to cover the first chapter of this buildspace.so. Okay, so there are many tutorials available on this. So let's build it and see how we can create it by following the following all the instruction that are given by buildspace. So now let's create it. Build a web app with a Solidity. Okay, so let's start it. As I've already covered it, so that's why it's showing me complete 100% completed. So I will go through again for this video. So before starting it, we can claim uh, we can see the we can at the end of the uh, tutorial we will get an NFT as a reward from buildspace, so we can connect our wallet also with it. So let's create the first contract by following uh, the buildspace instructions. First, get your local Ethereum network running. Okay, so what it says, before anything we'll need to get to our local Ethereum network working. This is how we can compile and test our smart contract code. You know how you need to spin up a local environment to work on it. Same deal here. For now, all you need to know is that a smart contract is a piece of code that lives on the blockchain. The blockchain is a public place where anyone can securely read and write data for a fee. Think it like AWS or any other cloud service. So what build space will going to cover in it? We are going to write a smart contract. Our smart contract will deploy on the blockchain. We are going to build a client website. Okay, so first creating a smart contract and deploy it on the blockchain, and then that connect that website, and they connect that smart contract with a website that is decentralized app. Okay, the magic of Red Hat. So we are going to using a tool called Red Hat. So this easily will spin up the local Ethereum network and given us fake test Ethereum and fake test account to work with. Remember, it's just a local server, except the server is the blockchain. It quickly compiles the smart contract and tests them on our local blockchain. First, to run it, we need a node npm. So let's install node npm. If you don't have, I already have it. So let's start with the command. So I have already set up a directory here. Let's create a folder, my web portal. Okay. Now let's go to my portal. If we can go by clicking on open integrated environment. Okay. npm init by. We can also use yarn, as I have yarn on my system, so I will going to use yarn. So yarn init minus y. Okay. So it's create a basic package.json file. Okay. Now let's install it, the hard hat latest version. Yarn with yarn we will use add. Sorry, yarn add hard hat. So it's running the command and installing all the dependencies. You can see the node module folder here. So it's now created. Now what's next? Now we can run npx hard hat to create our sample project. Let's create it. Yarn hard hat. As I have told you, I am using yarn, so I am running yarn command. You can follow the same command that buildspace is given us. So let's create a JavaScript project. You can also use a TypeScript also. Just enter this and yes. Okay. So it suggests us we need to install these dependencies also in order to create a project. So let's follow the build space, then we will see if any error comes, then we will solve it. Yarn add okay. We can see that after running these commands we have few folders created: contract, scripts, test. Contract have a smart contract that is created automatically, and the test script and script of deployment we'll go through it.